Hi friends, hope you're having a good week. I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and show you the items that I'm putting in my Christmas bags for my Bible study group on Wednesday mornings. These are some cross Christmas ornaments that I made using Lori from Happy Bird Glitter's Nest tutorial. I will link that tutorial in the description below. It's a very good tutorial and it's very easy to follow, very easy to make, very inexpensive. The first cross I made took me about 30 minutes, but once I got the hang of making these, it only took me about 10 or 15 minutes to make each one of these. I just think they're a very pretty ornament, a very thoughtful gift to give to coworkers, family, friends, neighbors, and like I said, I'm going to give these to my Bible study group on Wednesday mornings. The link to Lori's tutorial and her YouTube channel will be in the description below. Now, I got these little black cards to put them on Amazon in bulk, and I'll put that link in the description box as well. And I got these little plastic bags to put the ornaments down in from the Dollar Tree. And here you can see all the various colors that I made. Some of them I used gold wire, and some of them I used silver. And I have them all packaged up in these little plastic bags ready to put into the bigger bags with the other stuff that I'm going to put in there. I bought these rolls of Lifesavers in bulk. I'll also put the link in the description below. I got these bulk packages of little Tic-Tacs. There's 2 in each package, 100 to a package. I bought these 2.6 ounce packages of Germ-X hand sanitizer. And I bought a big bag of the Hershey's milk chocolate nugget. I packaged all of these items together in these small plastic bags that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I placed that smaller bag of items into the decorative gift bag, also from the Dollar Tree. And then I took some tulle and tied it off at the top of the bag. I hope you and your family had a beautiful Thanksgiving, and I hope you have a beautiful week. And as always, thank you for watching.